If you have been following in my YouTube video, you would have heard me saying market has retraced up to 618 ratio. So there are chances that the market can bounce back from here, or market has tested 1.272 or 1.618. There are chances that the trend can terminate over here and can do a pullback. Now, how am I able to do all this? What are these numbers? So we are going to look at what Fibonacci is all about. So this is a part by part series where I'll be talking about introduction on this video. So stay tuned. One thing which I want you to understand is that Fibonacci is just a tool which we use it for confluence purpose. If you use this tool along with other filters like support and resistance, or RSI, or any other indicators like MACD, so if you use that, you will get a low risk, high reward trading opportunities which you can take advantage of on a daily basis. So let's look at how these numbers came into existence. What are these numbers? So there was a famous Italian mathematician named Leonardo Fibonacci, yeah, that guy, and he had a massive eureka moment. So what he figured out is that a certain series of numbers describe the natural proportion in the universe. Okay, now these series of numbers is like this. So it starts from 0 and 1. So how these numbers came into existence is that by adding the preceding two numbers. So for example, you add 0 and 1, you get the next number as 1. Then you add 1 and 1, you get the next number. Then you add 1 and 2, you get the next number. 2 and 3, then you get the next number. So on and so forth. So there is no end to this number, right? Now what he figured out is that when you divide one number with the next number, you get a certain ratio. Now in this case, I'll take 34 by 55. You get 618 ratio. And then try 55 by 89. You get another 618. So it is not always a perfect 618. It can be sometimes 617, 619, but most of the time you will see the 618 appearing again and again. And when you divide one number with the alternative number, so in this case, let's take 5 by 13, you will get a 382. You divide 13 by 34, you get another 382 number. So again, this number also will be repeating again and again and again. And these numbers are well respected in the market as well. So why Fibonacci is important? Well, you can see all around the world. You can see it in the tornado, you can see it in the galaxy, you can see it in seashells, flower petals, and in our own human body. So for example, if you want to measure your arm from the elbow to your wrist, and then you divide that from the wrist to your middle finger, you will get a 618 ratio. Our whole face is structured with Fibonacci numbers, whole height with the Fibonacci numbers. And like I mentioned, the same numbers are well respected in the market as well. And if you know how to use these, then you will get a very good low risk, high reward trading opportunities. Now you don't have to worry about trying to draw or understand this numbers. Your charting software is going to tell you everything. You just need to punch in the numbers and then everything is ready. The numbers which we are going to look at are 0.382, 0.50, 0.618, 0.786, and 0.886. Now these are just the pullback levels. Okay, now more about these I'll tell you in the coming video. Another numbers are 1.272, 1.414, and 1.618. Again, we'll be discussing about all this in the future videos. So if you don't want to miss out on those videos, do subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.